Hey everyone, today I'm showing you how to recover your Gmail account using your phone number. This is perfect if you've forgotten which email address you used but have the same phone number linked to it. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to the Gmail login page at mail.google.com. Step 2. Click on the Forgot Email link located below the email field. Step 3. You'll be redirected to the account recovery page. Enter your first and last name as it appears on your account. Step 4. Enter your phone number that's linked to your Gmail account. Make sure to include the country code. Step 5. Click Next, and Google will search for any Gmail accounts associated with your phone number. Step 6. If an account is found, Google will show you all email address. Tap on that which you want to recover. Step 7. To verify it's yours, Google will send a verification code to that phone number. And that's it. You've now recovered your Gmail account using your phone number. This method only works if you previously added your phone number to your account for recovery purposes. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.